litres, which is our volume, and capacity, okay? And capacity is how much room something takes. So what we're looking at, and our learning objective today, is adding and subtracting capacities, okay? So we're going to be doing adding and subtracting. First, I want to say well done to everyone who did our Kahoot quiz last week. It was a little bit tricky. You think you have until Wednesday to finish that, if you haven't done it already. And then, of course, I'll be giving you the results and telling you who the winner was. Well done, everyone who's done it so far. Okay, so today we're going to be looking at adding and subtracting. I'm going to send you a little worksheet, okay? There are 3 parts to the worksheet. Part 1 and 2, I just want you to read it and think about it. It's pretty... it's not easy peasy, but you need to think about it, but I don't think it's too difficult. Part 3 is going to be the challenge part. That includes some of our fractions. So if you really want to challenge yourself, please try and do the challenge part. Now, what I want to tell you is when we're doing adding and subtracting, we need to think about the words that mean adding and subtracting. For example, one of the questions is how many milliliters all together? How many milliliters all together? So if we have a problem and it says the word all together, what does that mean? That means that we have to add them together, okay? So let's have a look at the next one. What is the difference in milliliters between? Now, if we're looking for the difference of something, that means we need to subtract, to take away. Okie dokie. So I'm going to show you this one. Today we're going to get how many milliliters all together. The first thing I have a bottle of Coca-Cola, okay? If we're going to add things that have milliliters and liters, we have to make sure that they're in the same measuring unit. So we can't put together liters and milliliters. We have to make sure that they're both milliliters or they're both liters. In this case, we're going to make sure that they're both in milliliters. So the Coca-Cola, I'm going to check, it has 600 milliliters. So of course, I'm going to write down my 600 milliliters. Now remember your units, tens, hundreds, thousands. It's very important that you put them underneath each other in the correct place. Now, next thing I want to see is, here I have my mango juice. This is 1 liter. So remember, we have to put it both into milliliters. What is 1 liter in milliliters? Exactly, it's 1,000 milliliters. So I'm going to put it down here. We know it's in the thousands place. 1,000 milliliters. We put under our line nicely, and we're going to add them together because we want to know how much it is all together. 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 0, 6 plus 0, 6, and 1, there's nothing here, right? So we have 1,600 milliliters. Now, of course, we can change that back into liters. We know that it's 1,000, so that's 1 liter, okay? And 600 milliliters, okay? 1 liter, 600 milliliters, or 6 liters. Just like that, just like we did last week, okay? So that's your adding, that's your all together. What if we want to take away? Well, it's the same thing. What you do is you put, I'm going to see the difference between my orange juice, how many more milliliters is my orange juice had than my Coca-Cola. So I know that this is 1 liter, which is 1,000 milliliters. 1,000 milliliters. And I'm going to take the difference. How much more does this have than this? This is 600 milliliters. And we're going to do our takeaway. 0 take away 0 is 0. 0 take away 0 is 0. If we have 0, we can't take away anything. 6 from 0 we can't do. So remember, this goes to 9 and 1. Oh, sorry, this goes to 0 because we're taking away the 1 and putting it here. And the answer is 400 milliliters. Okay? You can have a look back at this video. You do it slowly. The one in the worksheet is a little bit simpler than this, but just remember to take it slowly, and very, very importantly is your thousands, hundreds, tens and units, and make sure that each number is under each other, okay guys? Do your best. Of course, if you have any questions, just ask me, give me a 3, a 2 or a 1 at the end, and then let me know how you got on so that if we need to go over it again, okay? Have a great day. Bye bye.